Okay guys, it's Sunday here. At nag-breakfast tayo ng McDonald's tapos mag-gym tayo ngayon. Anyway, so yeah, mag-gym tayo ngayon, no? Ating card. Alright, here bro. Okay, so check natin kung may bakante rito. Wala. So okay tayo guys sa taas, no? This is the second floor again. That's the first floor, no? And we're here at the second floor. Okay, guys. Okay. So we're here at the second floor. Tara tayo sa locker room, ano? Kasi lagay natin yung ating stuff. And then magpo-phone pay tayo. Mag-gym ka ba? Mag-text na lang.